Greetings FWKI students and welcome to week 8. This is video 1. So I just want to draw your attention to my notes down here. There will be no synchronous class this week in MS Teams. I've also posted that in DC Connect. So please just watch the videos and listen to me providing audio, and hopefully that will help you get through the assignment that I'm teaching you this week. So this week, we want to be talking about employer research. So a little bit beyond looking at the employer's website, finding out information about your potential employer for a job interview or for when you go out on field work, so you know a little bit more about your employer. So where can you look to learn about the company beyond the company website, beyond their LinkedIn profile? Well, we did Scott's directory, so remember that was an industry directory where you could look for employers, potential employers for your field placement. So you can also go there to learn more about other employers, the competition. You can click this link just to get to the library guide for company research, and there's lots of directories and suggestions on government sources. Stats Canada provides information about industry profiles, so you have an idea about what trends are happening in the industry. Because remember, you want to find out information about an employer so that if you do go to a job interview or when you're applying for your field placements, most of you have secured one, that's terrific. This is, why do you want to work for our company? Why do you want to do your placement here? So you want to know something beyond what is posted on their website. At an interview, you want to speak intelligently about the company and some of the things they've done, the products that they make, the awards they've won. Okay, so you want to find that information out, and it's beyond a Google search, because we all know Google and Facebook now are getting locked down, right, on the kinds of information that they can borrow from places. So if you search only Google kind of interfaces for your news, then you're only going to be reaching either the open access scholarly resources, which probably aren't going to give you the information you want, or social media type posts, which might have, not as credible of source as journal articles from maybe more professional publications. All right, moving on. Employer research. So what I want you to do for your employer research assignment is I want you to go to this company and industry research page, use Business Source Premier, that's one of the databases listed, and retrieve 2 or 3 current, so published within the past 3 years, articles on any business of interest to you. For example, I said Tesla. And you're going to create an annotated bibliography. That's what this assignment is. The employer research is an annotated bibliography. So an annotated bibliography will have the words annotated bibliography at the top of the page. So I've said use the name of the business and the words annotated bibliography. So it might say annotated bibliography Tesla. And it should be centered on the top line of the page. And then you're going to find APA formatted citations for 2 or 3 articles from Business Source Premier, and you're going to list them in alphabetical order underneath the title. And then underneath the title, you're going to write immediately below the title that you found 1 or 2 sentences that after you read the article, because you want to read it, that gave you some information that you learned about the information about the organization. So these next slides, I'm going to let you look at them on your own. Please pause. They walk you through how to use this link here, access what it should look like, how you put in a search, how you find a potential article, when you click on it, how you find the citation that you can copy and paste into your bibliography. Okay, part 2 is coming up in a minute.